I'm Miles with Solar Tops, here with another frequently asked questions video. The topic of this video is HOA. Do I need my HOA's permission to go solar? We work closely with each HOA to ensure the process of going solar is smooth. While the HOA cannot keep you from installing solar, it is important to know their guidelines and whether or not we need to adhere to them. Can my HOA stop me from going solar? Legally, your HOA has no power to prevent you from installing solar on your property. They can make suggestions to your system about aesthetics, but nothing that would impact the overall function of your panels or the overall price. What if my HOA has specific requirements for going solar? Not a problem. We work with your HOA and keep you updated on exactly what they are requesting. So long as it does not impact the performance, price, or warranty, we will most likely be able to get it done. That's another edition of Solar FAQs. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, call, text, or email us, and be sure to like and subscribe for more answers to your frequently asked questions.